You guys all read the title of the video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw people. I finished my last sketchbook. I tore out all the pages. I'm going to be drawing in this sketchbook. So, yay! So, I'm probably going to start off with like drawing anatomy and then focusing on faces and how to not go through the same face syndrome. Also, this only works if like you're drawing something that's in like variety of my style. My style is like a mix of like, it's like cartoony but not cartoony, and also anime, or not anime, but not, I wouldn't consider it anime. Boom, we have a pencil and eraser. Once I'm done with like my stuff, I'm gonna make it red. We are gonna start drawing. We're gonna start drawing the head. Duh, that's how you should always start, unless you're drawing the eyes first. And obviously this isn't my style, so don't be mean, please. Okay, he's got a pretty normal nose, so I'm gonna make him a normal nose. And for drawing faces, they're gonna be different depending on how, like, big the face is. Not like big, but like how close you have it. Like, say like I was drawing this face, but it was like, I make this bigger. He's got a bit of the beard. I'll do that later. His eyes are droopy, so I'm gonna make his eyes a bit droopy. And usually for drawing faces, in this space is like enough to fit like an eye. Oh, and also make your ears like always match up with like the top of the ears being the top of the eye thingies. So I see that he has like a little dangly piece over here. So I'm gonna try and do that. Make your characters look more different. Also the hairlines. Like they got, some of them got widow's peak, some of them got receding hairlines. Make all of them different. And wrinkles if you have like your older characters. So I'm gonna exaggerate it more. This little piece that's coming out over here. And boom, we got that guy down. Let's go, let's go. Ain't that nice? So we shot a few in there. Boom! That guy looks pretty spiffentacular. Let's get a little close up on that. There we go. Let's go ahead and draw this guy out. But he has a Chad jawline. Ew. And he has a square chin. And this dude, he's got a pretty big nose, so we're gonna give him that. There we go. on to the next one. Drawn a little bit A. So he's got a pretty long face. And his eyebrows. Already planned out for us. Now that we are done drawing these people, I'm going to make them look, not make them look better, but make the page look better. I want to highlight this dude because I really like how I did his facial hair. I don't know why. So let's go like that, that. I feel like the only thing I am good at doing is making sketchbook spreads or pages just look a bit better. Like making them pop more. There's this one song stuck in my head, oh my gosh. Might have to listen to it later on repeat. Yeah, but if I do that, the song is gonna suck. And also I have not, I don't know if it's gonna bleed onto the back. So I guess I'll know in a few seconds. Does it bleed onto the back? Yes, it does, sadly. Oh my goodness. That. Drawings do I like? I actually kind of like this one, so I'm gonna what should I do? Oh my gosh, these alcohol markers smell so good. I'm over the line, guys. Alright, so you can't really see it that well. You guys could see that at least. So this is the page. It was such, oh my gosh, it was so annoying like trying to get like this thing filled out. But yeah, here's how things look like. Now the page looks like, it looks like, I just want, you know? You just want to eat it, right? Look at that. And you know what carries? Not, the only thing that looks good in this drawing is all of like this stuff in the background. Like that's the only reason why it looks good. But yeah. Sorry that I wasn't really able to teach you how to draw faces or anything, more of like me just showing you. I'm not really good at explaining things because I get a little too wordy or not too wordy. Like I either don't talk or I do talk a whole bunch, and when I do talk, it's a bunch of nonsense. Change the way you draw your nose, eyes, eyebrows, lips, ears, facial structure. Add facial hair to your characters. Add wrinkles, change up the hair. And if you're like drawing the same exact like hair type, change that up too. Change up the race too even. Like, oh my goodness, I cannot tell you. And if you are gonna change the race, definitely like research and look up pictures of what that race usually has for facial features. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like, comment. If you want to see more stuff, go to my Instagram because that's where the poll even began to why I even made this video. I might do that again because honestly I'm just running out of ideas. I might do a sketchbook tour, I don't know, my sketchbook makes me embarrassed. See you guys then. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Camera, don't fall. Camera.